Okay, so we've already started to have it laid out. We're doing number 71. No, not 71. Number 70. 71 has been assigned 70. And as you can see, it's got like a block on the left side and a cylinder on the right side, and it's connected with like a neck. So, drawing a circle. That circle, that cylinder, is, if you look carefully, it's 3 squares high, 3 centimeters high. So we're going to double that, so it's going to be 6 diameter. And it comes right to this edge. Now those little arrows on the screen, those arrows is kind of like what we call the packing box. The packing box is the size of the box needed to just barely fit, just perfectly fit that part. Those it looks like chicken feet or something. Those little corners, those little arrows, okay? And they're trying to show you where the corners of the box is. Now, if you notice carefully, this part is not quite 6 units wide from back left to front right. That little chicken foot there, that little corner, is actually 5.5 units wide. So 5.5 doubled is 11. So this part is actually only 11 squares wide. So check those carefully. A lot of times the book shows them at like 6 by 4 by 4. We double it 8 by 8 by 12. But sometimes they're not exactly, so read it carefully. Okay, so that we're gonna do 3 diameter. We're gonna call it 6. So 1, 2, 3 radius. 1, 2, 3. Here is the center. Find the center. Find the north, south, east, and west points, and then draw a circle. Might take you a few times to get it fairly round. The first time might be elliptical or egg-shaped. There you go, that's pretty good. And then once you get the construction line where you want it and it's round, then draw it nice and dark. That's how you do a circle. Now the left side of the part is a block that's 2 squares wide, so we're going to double it to 4. So it goes, and this is our front view we're drawing, of course. And this thing is 8 units, 4 doubled to 8 high. So it's like this. And the front plane is 6 units high. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We'll call that A. Well, I'll have to number these. Well, they'll be numbered by AC by the time you get it on the screen. This is B. Let's see. The wall thickness here is less than 1 unit, so we'll just approximate it like this. And the neck that connects them goes over to here. We don't really know where it is down below. It either goes across there. I suppose it could go across here, but I'm just going to assume it goes across here. However you assume and draw it, well, make sure every view shows you that, the same thing. Okay, so this is a center line going through here and through here. The center line is a little bit longer than the actual curved surface. Okay, it goes a little bit to the outside of it. So that is the front view. The right side, let's do the top view. Top view is easier. So we're going to have like a rectangle here, right, projecting up from here. We'll go through this part a little faster than the other ones. We're getting better at it. Okay, so this is A. B is on an inclined plane here. This is C. And we have a back. Well, I guess we could call that back plane B prime. It's like a reversed image. Now the neck is only 2 squares deep. We'll double it to 4. So it's coming out here somewhere. We're going to project the sides of the cylinder up right there. project this side up. Center line down the middle. Hidden lines of this inner hole, project them up. This neck, this surface up here, we'll call it D. This is C. So it goes over, and there's no line across here because this surface D is tangent at the center line portion of the top of the cylinder. How you name this is anybody's guess. E would be maybe the outside surface, and F would be the inside surface. And here's G. So this right here is G, and this outside surface is E, and the inside surface, which is basically where the hidden lines are, this is F on the inside. I guess we could just call that E here. Okay, now looking at it from the right side. From the right side, this cylinder looks like a rectangle. We can project it over. Here's the top of it, and we're seeing a big curved surface as an orthographic view, and it just looks like a rectangle with a center line down the center, and the hidden lines should be thinner than your object lines. And then the top part, let's see, this plane here we didn't label yet. We'll call that H. That's this here, so it goes an angle over and down again. So this is B, that B prime, this is C up top. A is in the back, and it's on the same plane as the face of this cylinder, okay? So they're all that line. This is actually the cylinder, the face of the cylinder, and this A here on the same plane is in the back of that. Okay, this neck here has sides, so G is right here. That is G. This is H. Did we get them all now? A, B, C. D is the top surface. E is this outside surface. F is the inside surface. So this is sort of like E is all of this from top to bottom. F, G, H. Got them all. That's it.